Hello, today we're going to learn how to add a room under the stairs. After placing the staircase, if you need to create a room under the stairs, go back to the layout step. With the partition wall, draw a wall near the space that will be occupied by the room under the stairs. Adjust the width and length of that wall until the partition wall is at the right location. You can complete the layout with a hidden wall to close out space occupied by the lower part of the staircase. In the Room Type menu, name the new space. For our example, we will add a bathroom and also uncheck the ceiling option in the right panel and name it Under the Stairs space. Next, go to the roof step. This may seem surprising, but we're going to use one of the functions of the roofs which allow you to cut walls to create a slanted wall. Choose a single slope roof and draw it on the partition wall we added under the stairs. If the roof doesn't go in the right direction, change the direction by selecting the edge of the roof that you want to be on the lowest height, and in the right panel, check bottom slope. Then adjust the height and angle of this roof to match the slope of the stairs. You can also go back to the layout step and adjust the width of the partition wall as well, then repeat the steps to adjust the roof. You can then complete the layout of the room by placing a door on the partition wall under the stairs. That's it. Now is your turn. You can contact us if you have any questions. The support team is always happy to help.